welcome back on my channel. So in today's project video I will be building a house, and you're right, it will be a huge house for my little boy who is turning 1 year old in a few days time. So hopefully that will really entertain him, because I'm planning to do all sorts of twists on it. It will be a bit of an activity board on it, so we'll have some developmental games on it, and also planning to put a little bit of a twist into the actual ceiling and make it look absolutely stunning with some fibre optic lights. So that's the plan today. There is a lot of cutting, sanding, painting, drilling, hammering and everything, so let's crack on. But before we do that, as always, if you're new to this channel, I do all sorts of crazy crafting stuff, including resin and wood and exotic hardwoods, and looks like a little playhouse as well. So please hit the subscribe button, it really helps me to grow this channel, and hopefully, and I'm very confident, many more videos to come over the coming weeks and months. So let's get building. So I'm just about to start drilling all the little holes for our optic fibre, and this is to create the starry sky ceiling impression. So I will have 150 little lights up on the ceiling, which can be interchanged between all sorts of different colors. So let's start drilling with our Dremel 40 flex. Woohoo! So as it is, as I cut off the overhanging fibre materials, obviously it's quite sharp. So the plan is I will use my Dremel hot gun glue, and I will try to put a little bit of a dome at the top of this fibre. So hopefully that will kind of soften up a little bit, because I know my little boy will definitely try to touch all these little stars. much longer than I first anticipated. Even my beard grew out. Incredible. But finally, our playhouse, it is ready. I managed to throw all sort of stuff on it to make it very colourful, educational. So let's see what we have here. So we got a little bit of a musical instrument here. And then some more noisy and colourful play games. All the way here, how to tie your shoes. And chirp, chirp, chirp. Switch off the socket before you plug out. That's it. Little froggy. And a little busy motorway on this side. And then as you get inside the house, you have the fancy, starry, optic fibre ceiling. So thank you very much for watching. Let me know below in the comments what you think about this week project video. Building up toward Christmas, I have a lot of stuff going on in my workshop, including some really weird and crazy, and I would say dangerous stuff happening, including and involving this. Yes, I will attempt to turn this brick. Not too sure where I'm exactly heading or why, but I'm just curious. So let's see how this is going to turn out. But in the meantime, I'll leave some other previous projects on my left and right sides for your entertainment, and see you back very, very soon.